Crab bush. Ziggy forgot his boots. What? Don't what? I have on Ziggy's boot, but
so who left them boot?
okay, I forgot my boot, but yeah, I could have sworn you picked it up. Yo, my boots are so big on my foot right now. I think I'm gonna drop. Bro, to how you're just stepping like you don't even care if you drop in a hole. Yo, take it my boots, guys. Yes. Where's Greg? Greg in the cut. Shout out to Ziggy though. Give me his boots so he wears his slippers. Hey, George catch one. Hey.
Huh? I want that. Oh yeah, take that one there. That one. This one, yeah. This one. Yeah, hold this one.
Oh, in the hole?
You can't take him out there.
He ran gone.
No, catch him all. That's I'm gonna take him out.
He ran back in the hole. George, get one. You get one? Yours is bigger than George.
Slow it down.
Woolly bug.
Hold the bag.
That's good.
What are you trying to do?
Squeeze on the bug. So you can't move.
So who's put?
I just. Alright.
You wait, I'm holding his clamp though. Bruh. See what this guy has me walking in right now?
Well, I have to put them.
So the fact that you would give me the bag,
Now,
how am I supposed to lift this?
give me that.
Yeah, I don't want to.
Then, you buy 3.
Ugh.
Yeah. One thing,
Mhm.
Pull the flash
Don't play. Stop. No.
Touch him.
Touch him weird.
You want to hold him?
No. With the
Wait.
gloves, I'll hold him by the car. Okay, here. Give me your gloves. I'll just catch it for the camera.
Look. Where are you? Come.
Can you get it? I wish they seen that dive just now. I said I wish they see that dive. Guys, this is how a mask. It's going in the hole? So what the hell does it hold on to?
FIFA.
Sea crab?
Come on.
Ew! Something just put on my hand. I said I wish I caught it. It's too far, it's dirt. I hate not seeing where I'm going. I said I hate not seeing where I'm going. Oh shit, I just sunk. Oh my god. My heart, I just stepped on sunk. So where's the other leg?
It broke off.
You just broke it? Is that 3.5? You're fine. Who's doing it? Real Dreams?
Huh?
Who's doing it? Who's doing it?
June? Me, I got have one June.
Who's taking the pictures?
So maybe I did that.
If I was here, I would do yours.
Eh?
I said if I was here, I would do them for you. But
I did. I 8,000.
really?
Where's the niche? I get him free.
No, maybe not, but you know.
No, I would.
I see on camera there.
I would use this or my. I have a professional one.
Camera in there. Down there.
Just George. Yeah.
Maybe because I busted it.
No.
No, no.